This is the inverse square law for gamma radiation. On the right we have a gamma source. There's a lead block here which can be used to block off the radiation from here to the detector, which is here. You've got a ruler here for measuring where the source is, and you've got a counter over here. So you'll start by moving the lead block in front of this. See there's a background clicking going on. That's pretty slow, but you want to be able to remove that from your readings. So bring the block right in front of the source. You can get a better view of this, so you can make sure you're right there. But just seeing that the ruler is kind of in the middle should give you a reassurance that you've pretty much blocked it off. Now you want to time this over a good lengthy period, like 10 or 15-20 minutes, something like that, to get a very good average of the background. So start the counting here. So this will just be the background radiation. That will give you a good average for a count per minute. When you've done that, you can remove the block. You can start doing the readings at various distances when that's out of the way. This is just using the scroll wheel each time to move these things, and you'll notice as I get closer the count rate will increase. So you'll take readings at various distances and then plot them, and you'll be able to establish that the inverse square law holds. You'll see quite a sharp increase in counts as we get closer and closer. To measure, get yourself pretty much on a level with the carrier. You can zoom in using the plus key, and you can see there that you can read this quite accurately just by moving yourself into position. Zoom out with the minus key. Again, all these things can be done with on-screen controls. In this case you can drag. Same with the block, you can drag that. You can move using the joysticks. You can raise yourself up. You can zoom in and zoom out, and so on. So that's how it's done. Thank you.